Hello and welcome back to 30 Days, 30 Logos. This is episode number 25. I'm David from Grayfish Design, and today we've got an email from Kyle Brown. Hello! The Wenatchee National Forest is home to beautiful mountains, water and hiking trails. You can see some photos here. We need a logo to represent the forest and the amazing mountain views. This logo will be used by the forest staff, including advertising for camping, staff uniforms, website, etc. We have attached a few examples of logos we like, and we do require the full name Wenatchee National Forest. The text National Forest can be smaller and underneath Wenatchee if needed. Thanks so much, we're excited to see what you designed. Kyle Brown, Wenatchee National Forest. Well, let's have a look at the logos they like. So the logos they like are all in a circle shape, and they're all really beautiful logos with kind of abstract mountains or animals or trees or water. So let's get to designing. So I drew a circle as well with mountains and the sun and trees in it, and I set out to create it with the golden ratio. So I started making a tree, but I didn't really like it, so I ended up making another tree. So the tree I went for eventually didn't have any leaves, but just branches. Then I put it inside of a circle where the sun was already, and I wanted to make the mountains, and I did that using the pen tool, and when you're holding shift, the angles you can go to are limited. So I believe this angle is 45 degrees. In that way everything is just really nice and tidy and looks really good. So I made 3 mountains, then I wanted to make some hills using the golden ratio, of course. But then eventually I didn't like the tree without leaves, just branches, so I put in new trees that did have leaves. Although you can't see them, but imagination goes a long way. Then I added some snow to the mountains, and I changed the pattern on each mountain so they didn't look too much alike. Then I went on and wanted to make a cloud, and the first one I made was too detailed, too complicated, so I made another one using just 3 circles. Very simple, but it gets the point across. And then I put 2 of them behind each other. Then I wanted to make sun rays, so I made 1 ray using the pen tool, and then I copied them using the rotating tool, which is R on the keyboard. Then I extended them as far as they could to fill out the background, and then I removed the piece of sun which was sticking out. And then I wanted to add another circle where I would put in the word Wenatchee National Forest. The font I went with is Trebuchet MS Bold. I put it inside of the circle, added 2 dots and copied the Wenatchee National Forest, so it would go all around the circle. Then I wanted to fill in some parts of the logo by making a compound path, but I didn't really like it. It got too complicated, and I liked it more without the filled in mountains. So I wanted to add a color, and I chose the color green. And it took me quite a while to get everything nice and tidy. And then I thought maybe I like the part where the sun is still sticking out more, because it's just that little bit more innovative. So I set out to work further on that one by filling the mountains in as well, but I also didn't like it there. So I expanded it and I made it green, and I actually really liked it. So I made the black and white versions, and here's the final result. I think it's really nice, it's really tidy, which of course is the result of using the golden ratio for everything. Well, not for everything, but for the most parts. I think it would be really cool on a uniform or a hat or even on a website. So let me know what you think in the comments below. The final images and the mockups can be seen on my site, which is also linked down below. Thank you for watching, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next episode of 30 Days, 30 Logos. Bye bye.